I love basketball more than anything. You know that, mommy. I love basketball more than anything. I love basketball more than
What do you
anything.
want to be when you grow up?
I love basketball, so when I grow up, I will be a basketball player. That is pro. I love basketball right now, more than exam. You know that, mommy. I already sing it kanina, nana. I love basketball. 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 I love basketball more than anything like exam. I love basketball more than anything. Hey, hey. I'm done singing right now. You know that, guys. I already said it. Bye, guys.